Howdy, Desert Boy here. Hey, recently I went to the range. I had a great day there. Shooting mostly nines. Pretty much it was a 9-day at the range. Shot the CZ Scorpion EVO S1 carbine. Shot my SP 2022 Sig Sauer and my Sig Sauer P938. Seemed like a lot of people seem to like to see that one from time to time. And I also, in the rental section there, where I'm a member, can get free rentals. One of the guys suggested, hey, why don't you try this Springfield Prodigy in 9mm, which I did try that one out, and they have had to do some things to it, I think, to make improve its performance. I think it's issues with the springs on that, but anyway, I know a lot of people have had some videos on those. But anyway, it was also very interesting to shoot. But one thing I shot that you just don't see me shoot, and it's just because I never grew up with a family that was, bird hunters or something like that, or they did have them, but they used them mostly for home defense purposes, is I shot a couple of shotguns. One of them was a pump shotgun, just kind of a no-name pump shotgun, and the other one was a Benelli M4, which is a semi-auto that I'm sure many of you are familiar with, that I'm not quite as familiar with. And I shot these federal premium, they call them law enforcement ones, 12 gauge, and these are 2 3/4, 1,300 feet per second, 438 grain slugs. So that's what I shot with that. Boy, that's terrible. Don't even know where my camera's at there. But anyway, that was pretty interesting. So I'm going to try to do a couple short videos if that's possible for me, since I've already burned about 2 minutes of this one. And we'll start out with probably the shotguns, and then I'll do some other range footage. I may mix in some range reports with those, but this will be the intro for probably all of them. As Desert Boy always says, be safe out there, whatever you're doing. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.